When we say we love games, I do not think any of you would disagree. It's true, and games are such an important part of learning and development. Good morning, teachers and friends. This is D. Kushitapan from class 4th, here to speak on the topic why do you think games are important? Which one do you prefer? Indoor games or outdoor games? Sports and games are essential of the both physical and mental stamina of health of a student. It also makes us increase the immunity of a person. Games play a major role keeping a person fit and fine. There are two types of games, indoor games and outdoor games. Games that are played in open ground are called outdoor games, and indoor games are played in closed environment. I prefer outdoor games over indoor games because outdoor games have many benefits. Playing outdoor games gives us opportunity to learn new things. We may learn important life lessons and skills to get explore nature. Outdoor keeps kids active and boost their physical stamina and fitness. Children who play outdoor games can develop their positive attitude towards life. Engaging in outdoor games can help us to develop gross and fine motor skills. Overall, sports and games build human emotion and physical. They can teach a lesson. They can teach anything that never be taught in classrooms. Thank you, teachers and friends.
Good morning to one and all. I am K. Varshika from 4th standard. Today I am going to tell about games. Why games are important? Games are important is that they encourage growth and development. I prefer indoor games rather than outdoor ones because it creates happiness and reduces stress and best opportunity to spend time together with our family. Memory formation and cognitive skills, improves immunity system, lowers blood pressure, development of social selves, encourage creativity, keeps us active and healthy. Chess is my favorite game. Chess is my favorite game. Chess is very exciting indoor game and this two players requires lot of attention. It is very absorbing while a person is engaged in planning moves and counter moves. In fact, great battles are fought on chessboard and they yell the excitement at victory and a gunge of defeat. Thank you.
Respected Madam Principal Sir and all my teachers, good morning. My name is Afia Khan. Good morning to all my classmates. My topic is about games. I choose indoor games. Importance of games. One of the main reasons we think games are important is that they encourage growth and development. To relieve stress free to our mind and body, whether this is an educational settings or home. It will promote our imagination, independence, creativity, dexterity, physical, cognitive, and emotional strength. Playing games help children to develop confidence and their resiliency that they will need to face future challenges. These days, the life of the people have become so hectic with the occupying most of our time. A very few youngsters devoted their time to the sports and games. Games is a very important in our life. Games are skill builders. Games have been an essential part of our lifestyle. Games aren't all about the winning. Games Games there are about happy with the outcome because you had a great experience. The more you play, the more you improve, and you will be surprised at how much quicker you can do something or how much easier you find a certain task. Reason why I choose indoor games. Young children love to play together, but the outbreak of the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic spreads all over the world. We need self-isolation or quarantine is one of the key strategies is in fluttering the curve of infection. Rates the isolation periods. Everyone is affected to avoid outside physical contact. We need to be safe for our heart, health and loved ones' sake. Indoor games we can play safe inside the house, even small area. Lot of games are there. If you want to have fun, healthy, safe and making sharp your mind. I will give some example and I will tell my favorite games. Example. Ludo. Ludo this games is still a hot favorite in every India family. Winning the games Winning the games is the only motto of each player. Can play 6 members or team. You need a sharp mind to win. I will suggest you more indoor games like carom board, Pictionary, chess, scribble, paper pencil and treasure hunt. Now I will tell my favorite games. Jumping rope is a full workout, so it burns many calories in a short time. For an average size person, jumping rope might even burn more than 10 calories a minute. My second favorite game, and I know you love to play also, that is hide and seek. What else can be fun than to hide? And being found by the den means you are out, so hide as much as you can. No age limit. My mommy, daddy and siblings are playing with me. Lot of excitement you will feel. And this is I want and I love to tell you all. Indoor games is the perfect way or opportunity to spread time. Our family and attach enjoy extra time of our family. It's a quality time and priceless gift. Thank you.